And I just want to make sure one thing is clear, because managers, like business leaders, usually got excited about agile because the word agile, it kind of means speed, right? That's what it sounds like. But it's important to note that it does not mean that suddenly software development is faster. If you take the same amount of scope, the same product that you want to build in Waterfall and put it in Agile, it's not going to be built faster. So what it means in what Agile means, or how speed is achieved in Agile, is that instead of finishing all the requirements, you would ask yourself, what is the minimal, the smallest possible piece of software that I can build that will deliver value for my product. So basically, you slice the whole product into different phases or different slices, and you try to start with the first section that can live on its own, that's able to deliver value on its own, and you go through one cycle of the whole software development or the whole product development lifecycle for that first piece of software. So then you still go through requirements. So for the first part that I want to build, what are the requirements? Then what's the design needed for that? Developing it, also going through testing, and then actually launching it to the market already. So you're consciously saying, I know this is not complete. I know there's so many more features that I want to have, but I can put it out in the hands of people and I can learn from them. I can see how they're using it. I can see if it's fitting. And then you can define what is in the next stage, what is the next piece of requirement. So basically the goal is to complete the cycle of ideating, building, launching, and learning as fast as possible. That's always the idea of Agile. So just going back maybe to also explain the phases a little bit of how we do the different phases. So requirements, we usually also call it discovery. So one of the key jobs of the product manager is to define what we call the problem space, so that they can, together with the team, with their stakeholders, but also the engineers, come up with the ideal solution. So the next product or feature that they want to build to deliver more value to the user.